What's up, guys? It's Rob. So I got some cool shit for you guys today, doing another unboxing of, as you see right here, some Crescendo audio. We have their PWX 6.5-inch mid-woofers and a little bit of a special, because you guys probably think, oh, you know, he's maybe just taking out the sound cube woofers, putting in some Crescendo, but no, because we have another Crescendo box here, and these are their 8-inch woofers, which you guys know that I don't have any 8-inch mids in my door. We got something else, but that's another video also. But we got both these woofers here, mid woofers, and it's the very beginning of me starting my truck finally. We're going to be actually taking a couple of panels off tonight, most likely, to be able to start making some custom parts. But let's open these up. These are the 8-ohm woofers. So when you open it, you're going to get a little bag of like mounting screws, I guess. But we got that in there. And these are the 8-ohm woofers. Reason being is I'm going to be running 4 per channel. So it'll wire down to 2 ohms. So if you guys could only imagine right there how many speakers are going to be in this fucking thing, you guys get excited for this build coming up here. But, you know, very nice. I'm not sure what kind. This is like woven something for the dust cap and the surround. Very nice material. Definitely seems a lot stronger than the sound cubes that I have. You guys know I love the sound cube mids, but they do seem like they're a little bit stronger, and they take a little bit more power too. These are. Let me look over here. What are these? Does it not say right? It says somewhere on the box. I forgot. 150 watts RMS. Knowing that it's Crescendo, it's probably a little bit more than that. You could probably push these about 200 watts RMS. We have some screw down terminals right here, as you can see right through that hole there. You just screw it back down when you get your speaker wire in there. This is, you know, about 14 gauge. I wish it was, you know, a little bit stronger, a little bit, you know, more heavy duty, something maybe we can use 10 gauge with, or even 12 gauge. But, you know, if that's the size of it, I'm going to use the maximum thickness and it should be fine. You can see this giant magnet here on a mid-woofer. This thing's, you know, almost as big as the whole speaker. Not a huge mounting depth, which is nice. It's about a 3.5-inch mounting depth, so we won't have, you know, these ridiculous door pods coming out of the doors. And as you can see, one last thing, see the spider in there, nice yellow, and we have our tinsel leads right here connecting to the voice coil inside of the cone. Just thought that was a little interesting right there. And then also a nice, very nicely designed basket. Not sure what it is, if it's aluminum or some type of steel, but it feels strong. It's definitely some sort of metal. It's not like plastic or anything. Opening this box up here, though, we got some more mounting screws. Don't really need those. But opening up this one right here, we have the 8-inch, obviously much bigger than the little brother here. Much bigger woofer. These are going to be going in the doors as well. You know, just for a size comparison, this magnet is almost the size of my hand. Probably about the size of my hand, this magnet. Palm of my hand, it's bigger. My whole hand, just about the same size. We have a giant end of the spider right here. I'm not sure why it comes up that high, but it does. Maybe it's to give it more room with the voice coil, so they can fit a bigger voice coil in here. You're gonna get the same woven material for the dust cap and the cone. For this, I like this more than the screw down terminals. These do have push terminals, which I do like, but still, that's it's kind of hard to get this part. Yeah, it has push terminals right here, but still, I don't know if you could see these holes, but you're only going to be able to fit about 14 gauge wire in there yet again. With these, I would definitely want to use at least 12 gauge. Same thing with even the 6.5s, but that's just how it is. So we're going to be using, like I said, the maximum we could fit in these, and then wiring them all together, you know, not inside of the terminals. Because originally I was going to wire, you know, speaker to speaker inside of the terminals, and then just have one wire. Instead, we're going to have to run a set of wire coming out of each speaker and then wire it all together and then have one thick wire coming out of the door panel. But that's completely fine with me. I'm excited about these, extremely excited to finally be able to start making some custom parts. My first impressions, they look good, and I'm going to give you guys a little preview. I actually listened to them today. I don't have any footage of that, but I wired these up just on our test bench at work today, and man, they sound fucking awesome. Only at 40 watts, we could hear them outside of the garage with all of the doors shut, and we were able to hear it clear as day outside of the shop. So that's fucking awesome. I had them playing with the tweeter as well, which will be the next video that you guys see is going to be the tweeter unboxing. And I know it's going to be a little bit, but once I actually get a couple of batteries for the truck, and I get a couple of amplifiers, and I get the door panels built, then we'll be able to do a full review when I can hear these things at full volume. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Definitely be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all of that cool shit you guys do for me here on YouTube. This is Rob, and I'm out. Peace, guys. I hope you...
I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight endo. Cali weed blowing like a Rastaman. Good seed straight from